The Value Chain Innovation Hub presents the Partner Portal, a mobile-enabled solution made for your distributors or end customers. The portal allows you to create your own personalized branding. The ticketing feature allows you to create tickets and consult their status in a clear and adaptable overview. The overview screen is customizable to your needs. Hide or display only relevant information. In the details of the ticket you can request, follow up, interact, download and upload documents. The documents can be checked in preview mode to win some time and being more efficient. Manage your equipments. Access an overview of the equipments that are relevant for you via an extensive search engine. All necessary information like contract coverage, warranty, installation location, equipment attributes, and involved parties are available in one screen. Access the manuals or other documents linked to this equipment in preview mode or downloadable. Through the document browser, you can effortlessly upload various documents directly into the product hierarchy coming from SAP Service Cloud. You can upload on general, category, and product level. Once attached via drag and drop, customers and distributors can conveniently view and download these documents on their respective product or equipment. For more information, contact us via our store on www.thevaluechain.eu/store.